Hey everybody, so this is a long overdue video. I've been meaning to film it for the past couple weeks. Today I'm going to be doing a Pusheen unboxing. They send one out every season. This is the spring box, and there's also going to be a giveaway at the very end for my subscribers, so stay tuned for that. Starting off with the first item, this is the stainless steel Pusheen water bottle. It has the same design as outside the box, Pusheen with a bunch of little balloons. Unfortunately, it's already started to peel off the paint on this, as well as at the bottom. I've been trying to cut out plastic bottles entirely, so this has been very helpful. It just sucks that the cute design is already peeling off. Every box comes with a collectible vinyl, and this one is the Celebration Pusheen. So she's sitting on a pink platform with a bunch of balloons. You know, it's funny because I just remembered for the past couple of, I think since the very beginning of me unboxing these, I've always called Pusheen a boy. Like, I've always assumed his gender to be a boy, and it turns out he's not, it's a girl. But I'm so used to saying he that I might slip up. So if I do, now you know why. Anyway, it's Pusheen on a little platform with the cute little balloons. The next item is a Pusheen travel blanket, and it makes sense that it's a travel blanket because it is so incredibly thin. It is very cute. Again, that same design of Pusheen holding a bunch of cute pink balloons. The fact that it's so lightweight does make it seem like a logical choice for when you're going traveling. So I do like it. I think it's really cute. Next item is a pair of slippers. These are Pusheen slippers, and they're kind of lined with a soft fleece material. They are very thin, but they are kind of cute, especially if you're traveling. So I think it fits that theme pretty well with the other two items that I showed you. And I like them. The next couple items are all more stationary desk accessories. This is a Pusheen shaped tape dispenser. The only thing is that it doesn't have any tape in it, and I feel like you might as well have included a little roll of tape, even if it's a thin, small one. You know, because it's like you have a Pusheen dispenser with no tape on it. I don't even carry refills like that, so I don't know. Whatever. Either way, it's adorable. I just figured I'd mention that. Along with that, we also have a Pusheen pouch to keep like pens, pencils, accessories, basic stuff. We have a Pusheen mouse pad. I actually like this because I have had two other Pusheen mouse pads. I currently have one on my desk, and for some reason they get so dirty. I don't know what it is I'm doing on my desk, really nothing, but every single time they get really like just dark and dingy and weird. So I'm glad to have another one, except this one isn't as cute, I feel like, as the one that I had, but it is just basic Pusheen living his life in his classic pose. So we have a letter set, which includes 9 sheets of paper, 9 envelopes, and 9 stickers. So it's like to write handwritten notes to people, which is a cute touch. I just wish, I don't know, something's lacking here. But I mean, I enjoy stationery items. I think that's what I said in my last unboxing too, that I wouldn't mind if they had more stationery items, and yet here I am complaining. So it's cute, it's cute. Next one is a very Instagram Tumblr type thing. These are like those photo pins. So you know, people who pin up like Polaroids in the background against their wall hanging down. This is a whole kit of golden Pusheen photo clips. So it's a cute touch. I don't know if I'd ever hang them up like that, but I do see it everywhere, so I think it's kind of cute that they included it. Last but not least, since this is the 10th Pusheen box, they included a special item, which is a special edition golden pin. And it is Pusheen holding some balloons once again. And yeah, I can't believe it's been 10 boxes already. So that's pretty cute. I thought it was nice that they included something to celebrate that. So that's everything that comes in the spring box. I kind of enjoyed last season's more, but I barely remember what was even in there. I'm gonna link it up there because I'm definitely gonna rewatch it. But if you would like to win your own spring Pusheen box, then definitely click the link down below, follow the instructions, and then you are entered to win this box right here with everything I just showed you. This is a sealed one, of course. Obviously, it's only open to my subscribers, and there'll be more information down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.